Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 12 Pro Max, and today I will show you how to record your screen on this device. Now, to actually add it, or to begin with it, we will need to add it to our control center. And to do that, we need to go into the settings. From there, you want to go to control center and find the toggle. So, screen recorder. There we go. Tap on the plus. It's going to be added. From here, you can go to control center and simply tap on the toggle to turn on screen recording. Now it will begin countdown, and from there it will automatically start recording, and whatever you will do right now will be recorded. So whatever app you open, wherever you go, it's going to be on the video. And then once you're done, disable it by tapping on the toggle once more. And from there you can find that recording in your photo gallery and videos, I believe. Yep, there we go. And you can see it right now, it's playing already. So there we go. That is how you record your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.